Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Rectifier, the Rect Token. The cause of this project is they want to enable trading and payments in Telegram. So that's actually the first ever project that tries to do this. I mean, I've never heard of this before. And let me show you guys. If you want to buy it, you click here and then you get directly to Telegram. And let me show you guys, you can also earn 0.5 to 14% daily with the Rect token, okay? You can see here the price growth yesterday. In the last 24 hours, it made a plus of 2.72%. And let me show you. The Rect token is set to revolutionize the ICO market and DeFi world. Rect token is a new idea integrated into the secure Telegram messenger. Cryptocurrencies reflect anonymity, simplicity, and an opportunity to earn. Together with Telegram, we will open a new stage of development. Thanks to the combined software, we will expand the boundaries of security and convenience in one application. So actually guys, it works like this. Telegram provides a data transfer protocol and API for the Rect token bot, okay? So P2P transfers and payments with the Rect token within Telegram are based on the MT Proto cryptographic protocol, which is known as the most secure and anonymous data transfer protocol, okay? The Rect token is a TRC20 standard token which can be purchased for BTC, Ethereum, BUSD, BNB, USDT, and so on, guys, okay? Here you see their partners. And of course, the ticker symbol will be Rect. Interesting name, I would say, yeah? And here you can also see what's interesting, you know, the founders or the people behind this project are not hiding, yeah? So you can see here the different people who are behind this project, and here's the roadmap, yeah? So they started actually already in January, and here you can see the different steps that they will take. As of right now, first Telegram Rect payments, okay? Because now it's August, and in next month they will support fiat, trust wallet integration, integrating the Rect token to Telegram casino bots, yeah? So here you can see the roadmap. And let's have a look at their white paper, okay? So guys, actually it's the Rect token is the ultimate platform for cryptocurrency traders who are looking to use the most advanced trading tools and strategies on TRC20 as well as the combined intelligence of the community to achieve the best returns in cryptocurrency markets, yeah? That's all within Telegram, yeah? It's not that you go to some trading platform, it will work in Telegram. That's a really interesting idea, I have to say, guys. The Rect token bot, once you connect your mobile app to the platform, you will be able to access your dashboard, get push notifications regarding your strategy runs, as well as stay connected in a much lower key manner with your crypto trading status. So that's really interesting, guys, yeah? The coin details, as you can see here, total supply 95 million. The roadmap, once again, guys. And yes, so I mean, that's a really interesting project because I mean, every time, you know, if there's something new going on in crypto, I want to show you, and I want to show you the possibilities. But as always, guys, if there's something really new, it could have a lot of potential and could give you high rewards, but there's also high risk, yeah? So always do your own research before you invest your money in any project. And yes, guys, as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.